Welcome to the Scaringi Law Lunch Break. This is your time of the day to learn a little bit about the law while you enjoy your lunch. Today we'll talk about bullying in the workplace. At a recent seminar sponsored by the Pennsylvania Chamber of Commerce and entitled Resolving Conflicts in the Workplace, one of Scaringi Law's employment law attorneys presented on this very topic. Most of the heads of the human resource professionals in attendance nodded in agreement when he stated that workplace bullying is on the rise. 1/5 of American adults report they have directly experienced abusive conduct at work, according to a 2017 Workplace Bullying Institute survey of more than 1,000 people. More than 2/3 of office bullies are men, and both men and women bullies target women at higher rates. Hispanics report higher rates of bullying than members of any other race, and it's not uncommon to have a bully boss. 61% of targets reported bullying from people in more senior positions. Workplace bullying behavior is more serious and enduring than mere incivility of an occasional rude remark from a coworker or supervisor. Types of bullying include verbal abuse, threats, humiliation, gaslighting, which is a psychological manipulation, ostracism or isolation, withholding resources or information, intimidation, sabotage, reputation damage due to rumors, unfairly negative evaluations of one's work product. Left unchecked, workplace bullying can result in legal action against the employer. For example, office sexual harassment or harassment on the basis of membership in any protected class is considered a subset of bullying, according to David Yamada, professor of law and director of the New Workplace Institute at Suffolk University School of Law. An increase in laws designed to combat bullying in the workplace are sure to follow the increase in this phenomenon. For now, such laws are rare in this country, but they're more common in Europe. One law that could be impacted right now is an employee's right to receive unemployment compensation benefits to which they may not otherwise be entitled if or when the employee quits due to bullying-related conduct. Ordinarily, a voluntary quit by an employee would be an impediment to obtaining unemployment compensation benefits. However, by arguing that the employee was forced out of his or her job, known as constructive termination, the employee may be found to be entitled to unemployment compensation benefits. At a minimum, such conduct can result in lower employee productivity, high turnover rates, higher absenteeism, and an increase in health-related issues among employees. Bullying, which happens regularly in the schoolyard, is an age-old phenomenon about which employers must be aware and remain vigilant to combat, to the extent of putting a zero-tolerance policy in place, for example, in order to avoid the legal problems this conduct can create to the employer. If you're an employer, you should consider an employment policy or work rule that addresses bullying. If you're an employee and you have been a victim of bullying in the workplace, you're welcome to call one of Scaringi Law's employment law attorneys at 717-657-7770. Well, that's all the time we have today for the Scaringi Law Lunch Break. Thanks for listening and enjoy your lunch.